That is not a fantasy. It already happened to countless ordinary investors who believed in the right companies at the right time. These 5 stocks changed lives and built fortunes. Miss this chance, and you might regret it for the rest of your life. Ready to uncover how a single decision could rewrite your future? Let us dive straight into the most legendary success stories the stock market has ever seen. Amazon's meteoric rise. Imagine investing just $1,000 in Amazon back in 1997, the year it went public. At that time, Amazon was a small online bookstore with big dreams, but no one could have predicted the massive success story it would become. Fast forward to today, and that $1,000 investment would have turned into over $2.2 million. Yes, you heard that right. More than $2 million from just 1,000. Amazon's journey is a classic example of how visionary leadership and innovation can create extraordinary wealth. Jeff Bezos, the founder, focused on long-term growth rather than short-term profits. He expanded Amazon from selling books to becoming the world's largest online retailer. Today, Amazon dominates e-commerce, cloud computing with AWS, streaming services, and even artificial intelligence. The company's stock price reflected this incredible growth. Early investors who held on through ups and downs were rewarded with exponential gains. Amazon survived market crashes, intense competition, and skepticism, but its strong business model and constant innovation kept pushing it forward. This is why many financial experts call Amazon one of the best long-term investments in history. If you had the chance to invest in Amazon at its IPO, your patience and faith in the company's vision would have paid off beyond your wildest dreams. So, next time you hear about a new tech startup, remember Amazon's meteoric rise, from a small online bookstore to a multi-trillion-dollar empire that turned $1,000 into over $2 million. What lessons can investors learn from this? Patience, vision, and believing in innovation can truly change your financial future. Apple's consistent growth. If you had invested $1,000 in Apple back in 1980, you would have watched your money grow into more than $31,000 by 2025. Apple's journey is a powerful story of innovation, resilience, and smart leadership. Starting as a small computer company in a garage, Apple changed the way we live and work with its revolutionary products. The real boost came with the introduction of the iPhone in 2007, which transformed the smartphone market and made Apple a global tech giant. Apple didn't just make devices, it created an ecosystem of software, services, and accessories that kept customers coming back. This ecosystem helped Apple keep growing steadily, even through tough economic times. Apple's stock has split multiple times, which means that every share you bought turned into many shares, multiplying your investment over time. The company's focus on innovation, design, and customer experience has kept it at the top of the tech world. Tim Cook, the CEO after Steve Jobs, also helped guide Apple through new markets like wearables and services, boosting revenue further. Long-term investors who believed in Apple's vision were richly rewarded. The company's stock price went from a few dollars per share in 1980 to hundreds of dollars today, reflecting its consistent growth and ability to stay relevant in a fast-changing world. Apple shows that a combination of groundbreaking products, smart business strategy, and loyal customers can turn a modest investment into a life-changing sum. It teaches investors the importance of sticking with strong companies that innovate and adapt over time. Home Depot's home improvement boom. If you invested $1,000 in Home Depot when it went public in 1981, by 2025, your investment would have grown to over $774,000. Home Depot is a prime example of how a company dominating its industry can create massive wealth for investors over time. Founded in 1978, Home Depot revolutionized the home improvement sector by offering a vast range of products under one roof at competitive prices. It tapped into the growing trend of DIY's do-it-yourself home renovation and attracted millions of customers who wanted quality tools, materials, and advice in one place. The company expanded aggressively across the U.S., innovated with large warehouse-style stores, and invested in excellent customer service and knowledgeable staff. Its growth was steady and sustained, even during economic downturns, because people always need home repairs and improvements. Home Depot's stock split several times, multiplying the value of early shares. The company also adapted to changing market trends by embracing e-commerce and improving its supply chain. This helped Home Depot stay competitive against other retailers and online giants. For long-term investors, Home Depot proved to be a rewarding bet. It shows that investing in strong retail businesses with loyal customers and smart growth strategies can turn a modest initial investment into hundreds of thousands of dollars. So, Home Depot's story teaches us the value of picking companies with durable business models that meet everyday needs, like fixing and improving homes. That's simple. Steady growth can turn $1,000 into almost $800,000 over 4 decades. NVIDIA's tech surge. Imagine putting $1,000 into NVIDIA back in 1999 when it was still a small graphics chip maker. Fast forward to 2025, and that investment would be worth over $660,000. NVIDIA's story is one of innovation and timing in the tech world. NVIDIA started by designing powerful graphics processing units, GPUs mainly for video games, but it quickly expanded its technology into areas like artificial intelligence, data centers, and self-driving cars. These new markets exploded in growth, making NVIDIA a key player in the tech revolution. The company's GPUs became essential not just for gamers, but also for researchers and companies working on AI and machine learning. This shift helped NVIDIA grow its revenues and profits dramatically. NVIDIA's stock price soared as investors recognized its potential in future tech trends. Over the years, NVIDIA split its stock multiple times, multiplying the value of early shares. The company also made smart acquisitions to strengthen its position in emerging markets. NVIDIA's rise teaches investors the power of backing companies that innovate and lead in cutting-edge technologies. What started as a $1,000 investment in a niche chipmaker turned into a life-changing fortune for those who stayed patient and believed in the tech surge. This story highlights how the right investment in tech can create huge returns, especially when the company is at the forefront of new industries like AI and autonomous vehicles. Costco's membership model success. Back in 1985, Costco went public, and if you invested $1,000 then, by 2025, you would have over $1.1 million. Yes, 7 figures from warehouse shopping. Costco's secret weapon: memberships. People pay for the privilege of shopping there, and they keep renewing year after year. In return, Costco gives them unbeatable deals on bulk goods, no flashy ads, and a no-nonsense shopping experience. Its Kirkland signature brand became a household name, offering top quality at lower prices, boosting loyalty and profit margins. Plus, Costco expanded globally, winning customers from Canada to the UK. Even in economic downturns, Costco thrived. People need groceries and essentials, recession or not. Its lean business model, tight cost controls, and laser focus on customer value made it a wealth-building machine for investors. With stock splits multiplying your investment and steady price growth, Costco became a shining example of how simple business done right can create massive wealth. So what does Costco teach us? Find companies with loyal customers, smart pricing, and rock-solid leadership, and watch your investment snowball into millions. Which stock would you bet your $1,000 on today? Are you drawn to Amazon's bold innovation, Apple's loyal following, Home Depot's steady dominance, NVIDIA's tech revolution, or Costco's membership magic? Drop your answer in the comments. And make sure you subscribe for more real stories of life-changing investments. You will not want to miss our next video. Copied Warren Buffett's $300 billion strategy for 30 days. Here is what happened.